Once upon a time, there's a tree village in the land of Oowz, and they fight against disease. There's a tree village in the land of Oowz, the village of balanced diet, the village of protein rich, and the village of plant-based. Each village had a citizen who followed a specific diet pattern. Some were strong and resist disease well, and others were weaker and became non-resistant. To solve this problem, the king of Oowz sent a royal messenger to all the citizens.
Let all who dwell in the land of Oowz hear our voice. We, the sovereign of this realm, speak now with authority and purpose. We summon forth four of the greatest wizards ever to serve the crown. Their wisdom, skill, and dedication shall decide the fate of our people. Thus we hereby command the four greatest wizards in the land of Oowz. Rafiq Firdaus, bearer of the code name E25A3591, SYAHALAM, known by the code name E253734, SYAZRINI, holding the code name E25B3705, and SHARINIE, marked by the code name E25A3714. They shall journey through the village of our realm and collect the records of 200 citizens across the village. For every subject counted, they shall document their dietary nature and determine whether they stand resistant or non-resistant to the afflictions that threatens our people. These four shall then bring together all their findings into a grand joint frequency table, so that the relationship between diet and resistance may be seen with clarity. But this alone shall not suffice. They are further ordered to perform a rigorous statistical test, one worthy of the greatest scholars, to determine at a 5% significance level whether diet and resistance are bound together by fate or merely by change. Let it be known across all borders, mountains, rivers, and seas. The time granted to them ended on the 21st day of December. Should they falter, should they fail to complete this sacred duty, then the crown shall enact the ultimate penalty, the sentence of death delivered without mercy. You've got the data?
We have got the data.
Let me see. So, is there a statistically significant relationship between diet type and disease resistance among the 200 citizens?
For that, we need to make a hypothesis. Upon the walls, that T was and the word should go. So, the first hypothesis is non-hypothesis. There is no relationship between diet type and disease resistance. And the second one is alternative hypothesis. There is a relationship between diet and disease resistance.
To uncover the truth, we used the square test of independence. We selected this test because both variables, diet type and resistance, are categorical. Square is the current test to determine whether two category variables are related.
Wait, so how do we make the chi-square test work well?
For the chi-square test to work well, three assertions must be made. Upon the word, that is one, the word should call. First, the data must come from independent observation. Second, both variable must be categorical. And the third, the expected frequency in each cell should be at least 5.
So, Where is the observed frequency table?
Above the walls, that the ones and the world should call. This contingency table shows the observed frequencies. As you can see, this is the row total, column total, and the rank total.
Standard frequency multiplied using this formula. Row total multiple column total divided by the grand total. For example, row total 69 times 146 divide 200. It will get answer 50.37. So after that, we can repeat this process to find the answer by type B and C.
After that, we just need to write a spell on a magical board to get a p-value.
Upon the walls, that the ones and the value should call.
The chi-square of test independence produces a p-value of 0.9005.
After all of the analysis, all the greatest wizards met the king in the 21 December. They said to the king after reviewing the records and performing a chi-square test of independence, they obtained a p-value of 0.9005. This value is far above the threshold of 0.05, so they cannot reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, it appears that diet type has no significant effect on resistance status among the people in the Land of Oowz.